Hello, let's look today at a 15th century hymnal in its original binding. Hymnals, or books containing the hymns sung in the church during the divine office, are not that common from the end of the Middle Ages, when large choir books, graduals, and antiphonals predominate. This is a German hymnal with music and the text of the hymns. What is interesting about it also is how much it shows about medieval bookmaking. There's pricking in the margins to allow and enable ruling. There are parchment flaps like this one that hold the choirs together. It's in its original binding, a binding in very beautiful condition, in which you can still make out most of the individual stamps, clasps as well, uncut edges also, and even holes and mends to the parchment. It would be a great teaching tool, good for students and faculty interested in music, but also wonderful as an object to show bookmaking techniques.